The purpose of developing an instructional leadership team, I believe, was to, especially in terms of a new school, is to really kind of set the direction for the school, the focus. And so now we're in our third year, and we're doing some things that probably should have been done earlier, and I think that's why Dan gathered this team together. So we had to get graduation outcomes in place. We had to get all teachers on board. We had to develop, junior, well, actually senior level courses that would align with our mission. So this team was to come together, work at each level to make sure that we were looking at these outcomes, that they were coming alive in the classroom, not just on paper, and also to kind of evaluate us as a school. Are the students having this cohesive experience, or as they go down different tracks, does that mean a different thing for each student? We want the quality of education to be high at all levels, whether they go into architecture, construction, or engineering. And then for the students who are not looking to go into any of those trades and are here to have a rigorous curriculum and want to go into colleges and all that, are we preparing them no matter which track they do go down? So I think I kind of saw that as our role as the ILT. And then just as a support both for Dan and also a support for the teachers, kind of this liaison role between the two groups. It's interesting. I didn't have a lot of parameters going into this new teacher mentorship, and so it was kind of like Dan threw it out there and said, here's your position, make it yours. So what I decided was over the summer to look at the teachers that I'd be working with, and the new teacher by definition here at ACE is someone who's been teaching less than 2 years. And not just at ACE, but just in general. So I looked at my team, and I started off with quite a large number of teachers, and I had to decide how to work with them, what they best needed. And so I started off by doing some initial observations of their classrooms, recording some data, talking to them about what I had seen, asking them what they needed, what kind of support. And so we started off with doing general meetings and very informal conversations about what it is that they really wanted from me or needed from me. And then I did observations, at least one each quarter for each of the team members. And then by the semester point, there were teachers that were obviously, they didn't need my help. They were fine. They had been teaching for a while. They had some really great strategies they were using in the classroom, and so I was there just as a support if they wanted to try a new method in the classroom, but I didn't go in and work with them anymore directly.